Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hey credit cousins, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another banger video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about PenFed. Okay, this is a highly requested video because I have dropped a few PenFed videos and you guys want to know so much more. So I'm here to give you guys some more deets and answer some of the very popular questions that I've gotten recently on the PenFed videos that I have previously posted. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'm going to be posting again around dinner time, so make sure you're just finishing up cooking up your din, grab your plate, grab your wine or whatever you drink, your beer, and let's just dive right into this video, okay? So let's stay tuned. So one of the frequently asked questions is, how can I request a credit limit increase with PenFed? So this is a really good question because I haven't really actually made a video on how to request a credit limit increase with the PenFed credit cards. So in this particular question, I'm going to basically do a small tutorial on how you can request a credit limit increase. Okay, so I'll be basically having the picture on the left side or right side of the screen where you can see where to request a credit limit increase within the app. First, log into your PenFed account. Then you'll go to the more account info and actions, okay? Usually it's under your checking and savings account, or you can go to your credit card sections where all of your credit cards are and click on the more account info and actions. Then you'll go to request a credit limit increase, okay? Once you do request a credit limit increase, you'll enter all your preliminary account information that's usually already there because you applied for a credit card in the past. So it's basically going to pick up your information that's already there. You just make sure that everything is updated or it's correct, and then you'll wait for a decision. Usually it still will ask you for your income, so make sure that your income is still the same. And also in terms of the income, make sure you put your correct income, okay? It does not matter how much your income is, you're going to get approved for the exact same limit because it's also based on your credit worthiness and also your credit profile. Okay, also just keep in mind this is a credit limit increase, so it will be a hard pull from Equifax, okay? And they use your FICO 9 Equifax for the hard pull, okay? But if you get the inquiry removal guide, of course you can remove this inquiry, okay? If I find more hacks and tricks on how to bypass this hard inquiry from getting pulled from your credit, then I will post another video on that for you guys. Don't worry, credit cousins, I got you. So just a tip that I want to add in for my credit cousins: if you do have a high balance on this particular credit card that you're trying to request a credit limit increase, I would recommend paying off the balance as much as you can, basically to 0%. Wait until that balance is reported to the credit bureaus and then request the credit limit increase the day after. And make sure you are paying attention to your FICO 9 Equifax score, okay? That's the score that you want the highest. So make sure you can pull your credit report score. Usually my FICO is actually the best, in my opinion, where you can actually go in and see your FICO 9 Equifax score. I believe it's $29.99 a month. That's the package that I have, and I can always go in and check my FICO 9, my FICO 8, all of my FICO scores, and it's basically updating me whenever my credit is updated or whenever the credit cards are reporting my balances and stuff like that. Then that's when I can get my alerts, and that's when I know that my Equifax FICO 9 score is updated, and now I can apply for a credit limit increase for PenFed. So that's just a tip, because you don't want to like apply for a credit limit increase and you know you have a balance on your credit card and you can avoid any type of denial if you pay off that balance. Now, when I say a balance, under 30% is okay, but if you're over 30% utilization, then I will pay off the balance. If you can pay off the balance and it's still under 30%, then I would do so as well. Again, you don't want to accumulate more interest, okay? Also, another tip that I want to add to this video, if you're still watching, then I want to make sure that you guys know that you can call PenFed and ask them if there are any soft pull promos available. So basically what a soft pull promo is, basically letting them know that you would like to see if there are any promotions that they have available that aren't hard pull. So basically they're soft pulling your credits, so there's no hard inquiry that will be pulled on your credit report, and they'll basically let you know if you are likely to get approved for one of the products that they have available. So it's kind of like a pre-approval, but it's really a soft pull promotion. So the soft pull promo is usually going to offer you either a credit card, a new credit card, a new interest that they may have. If you apply for this credit card, you'll get 12 months of zero interest, etc., etc. So you can also call them and ask them, any soft pull promotions available, and they'll let you know. One of our credit cousins wants to know, I just joined PenFed and I opened a savings account. I applied for a credit card with a 630 FICO 9 credit score and I got denied. How long should I wait to apply again? So this is a great question, okay? So what I would do, and this is kind of similar to the process with Navy Federal, I will wait until you get the denial letter and letting you know why they denied you. Then once you find out why they denied you, there are two things that you could do. You can work on those denial items, that the reason why they denied you. So what if they denied you due to you having more than 3 collections, or if you had a high account balance, or if you had a high utilization, or if you had a high installment balance. If you can, pay those down. But if you cannot, then what I would do is just write them a reconsideration, and then make sure you let them know your situation and how you want to build a relationship with them. Then let them know that if you have other credit cards with other credit unions, let them know what you currently have and how you're doing well with them. Okay, then send it off and just best of luck. But if you don't want to go that route, or if you still get denied after you do the reconsideration, what I would do is wait the traditional 3 to 6 months. Okay, so this credit union doesn't have the 91-3 rule, so I will do the traditional route of waiting 3 to 6 months to apply for a new credit card with them, and hopefully your credit worthiness and your credit profile gets better through age, and also you can work on trying to pay off whatever is hurting your credit score in order for you to get approved. So it is all about improving, guys, okay? So another credit cousin wants to know, how soon after applying and getting approved for your first credit card are you able to apply for another one? I have the Gold card and would like to apply for the Pathfinder card. So if you guys don't know what the Pathfinder card is, that's one of the top tier cards in PenFed. So it is a little bit difficult to get approved for that credit card. You really have to have good credit worthiness and a good profile and a good relationship with them. So what I highly recommend for this particular credit cousin, or for those that want to apply for their second credit card, or you may not even have a credit card with PenFed and you're just trying to figure out the strategy, because that's what it's all about. It's all about learning the credit unions, watching tons of videos about the credit unions, or asking questions and calling the rep and ask questions. Some reps may not know all the answers, but if you keep calling consistently, you'll get an answer. And this is part of what I do. This is part of what my job is to do, is to get those answers for you guys and bring it to my channel and help you all. But again, let's get back to the credit cousin question. So basically, she wants to apply for the Pathfinder credit card, and she wants to know how long should she wait. So I want to also make note again that PenFed uses the FICO 9 Equifax credit score. So just make sure you know what your FICO 9 Equifax credit score is. And remember, this is a credit union. So the strategy that I like to use is relationship first. So the longer you are building with them, the more benefit they'll give you. The more products that they'll give you. So as long as you're building a strong foundation and relationship with them, they're here for you. So I will wait an additional 3 to 6 months to apply for a new credit card. The longer the better. If you could wait out to 6 months, I will wait 6 months. Okay, these are traditional type of credit unions and you want to wait it out, especially PenFed. Now PenFed is no Navy Federal, but they're up there. Okay, so what I would do is I will wait 6 months, but 3 to 6 months, but for me 6 months, and also try in that time to focus more on repairing your credit and building your credit. Because remember, every time you apply for a new credit card, it basically sets your credit age back. Okay, so it basically sets your credit age back, which is okay. You just don't want to apply for too many credit cards. In a give or take 3 to 5 credit cards is okay, but 2 to 3 is better, because now you're allowing your credit to age without any hiccups in between. So I hope that answers your PenFed questions. Let me know more questions that you guys want to know, and I will be back with another video for you guys. And with that being said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below your thoughts, opinions, tips, tricks for other credit cousins that are watching, and make sure you subscribe. Now guys, I'm not a YouTuber that really care about the subscriber number, but honestly, I have to say you guys are really showing love. We're almost to 50K, guys. 50K. Wow, I did not believe that this will actually come about. All I wanted to do was share information that I found useful to you guys, and basically change other people's lives like it changed mine. So I want to just also thank you guys for being very loyal, and also being very supportive. I love when you guys comment down first, having those post notifications on, and I just want to give you guys tons of love. You guys have made my day, my year, my life, and I want to also give you guys tons of love. So make sure you share this video with other friends, other family, other cousins, and I hope that we can get to that 50K and so much more. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget guys, I love you all. Bye. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide, and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.